Wow, so many colors. Is this a science lab? I want to explore. Let's start. Look at these test tubes. Red, blue, yellow. They look magical. What happens if I mix them? Let's mix blue and yellow. Pour slowly. Wow, it turns green. Science is fun. What is this powder? Let's add it. Oh, it's bubbling. So many bubbles. What's that smell? It smells funny. Is it safe? I think it's okay. This liquid is glowing. It shines in the dark. So beautiful. I love science. Let's try one more. Mix carefully. Pop! A tiny explosion. Was cool. I need safety glasses. Safety is important. Now I feel safe. Let's continue. Let's make a rainbow. Add colors one by one. Red, orange, yellow. Wow. Science is about learning. Mix, test, and see. Every experiment is new. I'm so excited. Time to clean up. Put everything back. The lab looks nice. Good job, Jennie. Science is amazing. I had so much fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.